Ladies and gentlemen, Matthews here. I'm here with a beautiful trade breakdown for you guys. I want to show you how we managed to catch this 1 to 19 risk reward ratio of about 275 pips in profit right now. So let me just show you everything what made me take this particular trade and everything else. All right. So watch the rest of the video. All right, so great right now. So if you look at this particular trade, we're able to catch this beautiful trade at what we on 2 hour time frame. A really nice trade over 170 pips. So let me just show you like what why did I decide to take this particular trade and everything. So let me just start from here. So I actually sent this particular trade as to our private community, our mentorship community right here. You can clearly see here we have over 22 people. And this was my forecast. I was looking at this level right here. So this is a clean rally based drop supply zone in the major trend, which is a downtrend, right? And then we had the market giving us a rally based drop supply zone. And then we had the market coming to us like this. So I was already looking at this as a potential sell setup, right? So if we go to the lower to the 4 hour time frame right here, we're going to realize that this trade of late we've seen the market putting down lower lows and lower highs, right? So this has been a downtrend for a long time. So that is very important. Once you ascertain the overall direction of the market, then you want to trade in the direction of the market. Really important. So I was looking at two levels right here. There was a level here and there was this level right here. However, remember that the market can respond to any level, so it's very important for you to be able to remember that. So what I did was I was looking for to actually trade from that, and I was also looking at this level right here. So I was like, okay, let me see if this one holds, then well and good. If it doesn't hold, then we wait for price to come here. So what we had was a rally based drop supply zone. So as the market was approaching, again, I was able to share the same setup with our private community again to make sure that they actually know that it's about to reach our level. We saw another level right here. The market came to this level right here, creating new lower lows right here. I mean, new equal highs at that level. So when I saw that, I was like, okay, you guys get ready. So we're just waiting for the market to push and to that level right there, and after that, we'll actually get involved. And that's what happens. The market actually came to this level right here, uh, broke this low right here. If you go to the 30-minute time frame, you're going to realize that the market actually pushed here with big momentum candles, and then coming into our entry area right there, where the market rejected with a beautiful pin bar right there. This candle right there, this is our confirmation for entry right here. This is what prompted us to actually enter into this particular trade right after this. We entered from right there, and I'll show you in a bit where I was able to send the signal. The market had moved a little bit. I think it was somewhere around it was around this level right here when we sent. It was around this level right here when we sent the trade, and you can clearly see that this trade was shared with our private community right here after that big move right there. And then now the market has dropped. The market has dropped over 270 pips, and our target was something like 520 pips. And this is how the market has dropped. And right now the market seems to be retracing, but we know whatever is going to happen, we'll make sure that we secure profits and we let the market do what it has to do. This was a beautiful trade that turned out amazing. As you've seen so far, the market still has potential to go down. However, always remember that anything can happen. It's very important for you to remember that, because the market works in terms of probability. There's absolutely no way to know in advance what's going to happen. All we do is wait for the market to give us our age, and once the market shows us our age, we execute. And having that long-term mindset and a series of trade mindset, knowing that at any particular time anything can happen, all we have to do is make sure that we predefine our risk. Once we do that, we take the trade. This trade was shared yesterday. Our stop loss was just 15 pips, and our target was 520 pips. And this was amongst the risk reward ratio trade. This is 1 to 37 Very, very, very good setup. If you catch one like this, it's really, really amazing. So this is how it is. All right. So let me just show you another trade that I show you that we took today. This was a trade on Bitcoin, right? The Bitcoin give us a very, very beautiful trade setup right there. Around the best drop supplies on, and the market rejected at a level right there, and then we entered, and guess what happened? The market pushed to the upside, and we were taken out after being in profit. This was how it was. So we sent the signal after this beautiful rejection right there. The market dropped almost. Let me just show you. The market dropped almost. That was almost 1 to 2. Yeah, it was right there. The market almost dropped like almost 3 hour. Actually, yeah, it was about 3 hour. Right there, the market dropped 3 hour, and it went against that. So it's very easy. Like I always tell you guys, like literally anything at any particular time can happen. So you have to be very, very proactive in the way you're approaching the market. So have rules. So for example, once market breaks this low here, move your stop loss to break even. Right? Therefore, this would have turned out to be a break-even trade, not a loss. All right. So it's very important. Always remember that at any particular time, anything can happen. Anything can happen. So you have to make sure that you're predefining your risk, know exactly how much you're standing to lose on any individual trade, and let the market do what it has to do, because you and I have no capabilities of knowing what's going to happen in the market, and nobody out there knows what's going to happen in the market. It's all probability. So you always have to remember that no matter how good or perfect the setup might look, that particular setup can still lose. And when you approach the market like that, you will never over risk on any particular trade, because you know that there's a chance that you can still lose no matter how beautiful the setup might look. All right, so this is how it is. Today I just got reminded of why we started I started sharing YouTube videos with you guys. The purpose has always been to help someone out there. That has been my purpose of me creating these videos, right? It's just to help someone out there transform the way they look at the market and be able to change them into profitable traders. That has been my goal. At least someone out there, even just one person, if they're able to like get the benefit from this video and actually become consistent in the market, then my job would have been done. And I really got a touching message from someone from Nigeria right here, saying he loves our sincerity and simplicity, and that he's actually getting a ton of information from our videos. That's really, really touching, and that has been the purpose of this channel. All right, so I really, really thank you guys for watching our videos. If you find value in our videos, kindly just subscribe, like the videos, comment in the comment section, share them with your friends, because I believe these videos are very helpful and they can actually change you into a profitable trader if you put in work, if you watch them and actually practice on your own, demo trade. These are proven setups which I share with you guys. So I hope you found this video really valuable. If you did, make sure to subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section, because I believe these videos can help a lot of people if they actually reached a lot of people. You guys, until next time, goodbye.